Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to give you some details about Android Study Jams, which is an upcoming program that is being organized by Google. So, earlier we have completed 30 days of Google Cloud successfully. Like more than 220 people had registered for this program, and more than 25 people have completed the program. So now, if you have missed the program, don't worry. Uh, we are going to conduct the same program on Android. So the program is called Android Study Jams. So Android Study Jams. So what are Android Study Jams? So Android Study Jams are a community organized study groups for people to learn Android apps using an online training course. So here the thing is the online training course and all the material and all the stuff will be provided by Google. Like remember, this is a self-learning program, which means just similar to 30 days of Google Cloud, you will be given the material. You need to study the material and you need to implement the same. So the same thing will be happen in this Android Study Jams as well. In this Android Study Jams, you will learn how to build Android apps using a language called Kotlin. So everything, don't worry if you don't know Kotlin or anything. So everything right from the basics of language to basics of Android, the tools that are required to develop Android apps, and everything will be covered by Google in the study material, in the curriculum. So this curriculum, the good thing is, this curriculum is not temporary, which means you have lifetime access. You can access this program anywhere, anytime, anywhere as well. Like 30 days of Google Cloud had a limit, right? You can only access the program till the first 30 days, right? So, but here it is not like that. You will have access throughout the program. So you can learn this program anytime. Like there is no restriction like that you need to learn before 10 days, before 20 days, before 30 days, like that. But it is suggested to complete the program by January 25th. Why? Because we are going to have solution challenge in January. So it would be good if you complete the Android study jams program by January 26th. And that's not mandatory. You can finish the program whenever you want. Like you can take it up to February, March, like whatever you want. But if you want to participate in the solution challenge, you must need to complete it before January 25th. Else, you don't have the enough knowledge to participate in the solution challenge, right? So that's why. So Google has taken the lead and given a program called Android Study Jams. So you will utilize this material and you can learn the basics of Android, and not only basics of Android, you will also learn how to build Android apps directly, like not building small apps. You will build small games, two-dimensional games, like industry scale, not industry scale, but beginner level applications using Kotlin. So this program, this program contains of two tracks majorly. So the first track is new to programming track, and the second track is prior programming experience track. So in in the track one, you can register in track one or track two or both the tracks. That's your wish. So in the track one, new to programming track, you will be if you are new to programming, you need to pick this track. Like if you haven't have no experience working with programming languages, you need to start from here, new to programming track. You will be introduced like basic concepts of Android and basics of Kotlin as well in this track one. So more details will be discussed later in the section. So in the prior programming experience track, you will be directly introduced to Kotlin, and you will be also building your first app using the tools and all those provided by JetBrains. We use a tool called Kotlin Cones, which we will discuss later. So these are the two tracks, those that are available in the program currently. So new to programming track, prior programming experience track. So you can register either one or both. That depends upon you. And so don't take it like silly. Please, if you have don't and if you have no experience with working with any programming language, I would highly recommend you to start with right from the track one. So you can register for both tracks, right? So my suggestion would be, first of all, register for both tracks, complete the track one, next go to track two. So track one would be a lot simpler. If you know any programming language like C, C++, Python, anything, it would be very easy. They will just cover the basics and some basics of Android, like the menus, the layouts, the buttons, inputs, and all the stuff. Small, all the basics will be covered in track one, and in the track two you will be directly jumping onto the development part, like installing Android Studio and all the stuff. So now so this is the track number one, new to programming track. So in this track you will learn the basics of building Android apps using Kotlin programming language, and you will also build some small very basic apps that will kickstart your career as an Android developer, like very basic apps. So the prerequisites for this track are, you need to have some basic computer literacy, and you need to also know some basic math skills, which I guess everyone knows. So those are the small prerequisites for this track number one. So the curriculum, I mean, the space where you can learn this track will be linked here, which we'll discuss later in the coming section. As I told earlier, you will learn introduction to Kotlin. You will be also building your first app. You will also build basic layouts. As I told, layouts, buttons, inputs, like scrolling and all the stuff. Like these are the things that you will be learning in track number one. And the main part is, whenever you complete a track, so whenever you complete a track, you will be awarded with a virtual badge. You can also say digital badge. Um, like if you have participated in the 30 days of Google Cloud program, you are familiar to this badge. Like whenever you complete a quest, you will be awarded with a Google Cloud sticker, right? So something similar to that. Whenever you complete a module in a track, you will be given a badge, which you can attach to your resume. You have experience working with this and all the stuff. So it would be very nice. It also adds a lot of value to your resume. Now coming to the prior programming experience track. So this is second track. Uh, After the completion of track one, you need to do this track. So in this track, you will learn essentials of Kotlin programming language and also some best good practices for developing Android apps in Kotlin. So there are some prerequisites as well. So you need to have a good experience on an object-oriented programming language. So I guess you are familiar with object-oriented programming languages, right? Yes or no? You can tell in the chat box. So give an example for an object-oriented programming language. Exactly. So the main example is the best example is C++. Like if you are in third year, you will be familiar with Java. That's very like, if you know Java, this will be very easier for you. Don't worry if you don't know Java. Even if you know C++, this will be very easy. Not a big task. Like you will learn about classes, objects, and all those stuff again. So Kotlin, you need some basic experience in object-oriented programming language, and you need to familiar with using an IDE. Uh, I guess that everyone is familiar with Visual Studio Code, right? Like you have used VS Code in the past, so that's an IDE. But in this course, you will be using Android Studio as your IDE, which all the stuff will be discussed by a facilitator in the next part. Don't worry about that. And you need to be familiar with GitHub, just to up to share your code with others like this. And the same part, the curriculum, the links will be shared, like how can you access this material, where to access this material, and all the stuff will be covered in the latter parts. So as I told, all these things will be discussed with you. Don't worry. So as I told earlier, uh, you need to complete both the tracks. If you complete tracks, you will get these digital badges. So these badges have a lot of value. You can attach these badges in your resume. Like I have experience in working with this topic in Android, with this topic in Android. Like it will be a proof that you know something, right? And like this is a certification. This is how a certificate will look like. You will get your name here, and if you complete the session, I mean, if you complete both the tracks, you will be awarded with a certificate as well, signed by the facilitator. So, so now, Harish, are you there?
Huh. Yes,
Yeah.
Sandesh.
So Harish will
I'm
be
continuing
the
session.
program facilitator for this Android study jams. So as you know, I'm the facilitator for 30 days of Google Cloud, right? So now, Harish, everyone say hi to Harish in the chat box. So he is our facilitator for this program. So I will be also participating in the program, just like you. Even I don't know Kotlin, so I will be also participating in the section. So don't worry. So Harish will continue the rest of the section. Harish, you can start your screen.
Okay, Sandesh. Mm, mm. Hello, guys. This is Harish. I'm the facilitator for your 2 months of the Android Study Jams course, Android Study Jams program, and I will be conducting many sessions for you, interacting with you, and we will be continuing our journey in learning the Android stuff. Okay, this is Android Study Jams, and this is nearly a 2 months course, which already started at November 25th. But due to our adjustments of, am I audible? Hello?
The screen is not visible.
Okay, okay, I will be sharing.
Yeah, you are audible.
Let's wait, I will be sharing my screen. Is it visible now?
Yep.
Okay. Mm. Hello guys, I'm Harish and I'm your Android facilitator for this program, Android Study Jams. Actually, this program started at November 25th, but due to your exam schedule, we rescheduled it to now, today. So this program doesn't have any time limit, so you can learn on your own how much time do you like. But for if you need a certificate to complete this course, you must do it before the Jan 25th. Okay. And as Syntax told, this program has two tracks, new to programming and prior programming experience track. New to programming track consists of all the programming basics, such as if, else, loops, etc. What do you need to learn while you are new to programming? This track covers all of that, and the prior programming track consists of all the advanced stuff, how to build an Android app or everything like that. First, where do we get started in these tracks? First of all, I will give you a link, and you need to register with your Gmail in that link. Okay, I'll be placing the link in the chat box. Okay, you need to redirect into that. You need to open that link in your system and log in with your Gmail to access to tell the people you are participating in this Android Study Jams program. Okay, everyone who is participating in this course should be registered through that link only. If you open that link in your Chrome, you will be redirected to a page like this. You'll be redirected to a page like this, new to programming and prior programming experience. If you didn't signed in using your Gmail, it will show you sign in button. You may click it and sign it. Mm. Here, these are the two tracks which we will be saying here: prior programming and new to programming track. This track consists of basic lectures such as okay, like 2 to 5 schedule activities. So you can participate in that activities and you make your own Android apps using Android Studio. Mm. In this board, let us open a first track. Let us open YouTube programming track. Click here on the start course to enter into that track. Actually, the Google has made 2 units on this course, and it will be releasing new units every week. So the month along, you can practice it on your own. And in this weeks, if you completed all the activities in this week, you will be earning these badges, these 4 badges. And every unit consists of a small part of the programming which you must do to do your app. Like for building app, you must know layouts and views and activities and all the stuff you need to learn. It will divided this program divided everything into weeks so that each week you can learn something new. Uh, Let me start the first one, new to programming session. This one is the new to programming tag, and in this track, click explore. You will be seeing this page in Android basics. Android, create your first app, build basic app layout, and this is the first week activities for you. On the first week, if you registered in this course, you need to do this all activities, and everything consists of nearly 3 activities, 4 activities, which are submodules in this course, submodules in this main activity. You need to complete this on your own basis. There is no time limit for this, all like the cloud program, like 1 hour, 1 hour 15 minutes. There isn't any time limit. uh, okay, let's start the first one, explore. Here they show us some video. This video explains how to do this. Like in the first video, welcome to Android basics. They show what is Android and why do you use Kotlin, like all the stuff they will be showing. And also here, these are the 2 videos. We can learn the stuff using these videos and we practice the stuff using these code labs. Uh, like this. Okay, take to code lab. This is same as the 30 days of Google code program code labs. You have 8 steps to complete this code lab. You need to edit only here to submit your assignment. Like these are the 2 assignments in this activity. So when we go to another activity, there will be more assignments here. These are the 2 units, and more units will be added in the later sessions. And also in the advanced programming track, you will be having Kotlin cones and prior programming experience. If you are good at Kotlin, then you need to start from here. But I think many of the people are know basics of C and C++, so you need to learn Kotlin first. To learn Kotlin first, you need to go to the Kotlin cones, and this will be provide you. Kotlin is developed by JetBrains, which is also the part of Android Studio's builder. Like Android Studio is also developed by the JetBrains, which invented the Kotlin language. And here you will be learning Kotlin and everything in Kotlin, like named arguments, lambda functions, strings, data types, and everything you will be learning in a programming language. You will be learn here in the Kotlin cones section. After you completed this all, you will be some good at Kotlin language, so you can implement the Kotlin in Android Studio. For that, you need to go to the start course session, and here all the units will be present. Now I think 2 weeks are over, so 2 units are be presented, and remaining four I think 4 will be presented in the latter sessions. And if you completed the complete unit, you will be getting these 5 badges, which we can see in the developer profile, which we will later. And in the these are same as the basic versions, but these are some advanced versions, such as you can learn how to build layouts and everything, advanced stuff in the prior programming track, and also the basic stuff in the new to programming track. Okay, this is it. This is how we start the course. Each week we will be conducting some study jam sessions. So if you have any doubts about the session, or if you have any doubts in completing this course, like you will be stuck at the some error, like some type error, syntax error, or anything, you can ask us in the chat box. You can ask us in the our groups, or you can ask us at the study jam session, which we conducted every week, which we will conduct every week. And also, I think you get an idea of the tracks. And also, I will be placing a link for the Google developer profile, which I am saying, where do your badges store? All the badges you will acquired in this program will be stored at your Google developer profile, which can be viewed using this link. Here you can log in with your email address. So, and also try Google developer profile. This is still in beta, so don't completely rely on that. Create Google developer profile. You may fill out with your details. To specify them. Student, college, and your pronoun. And in this newsletter sessions, they will be sending some emails regarding this course. So you may click it and enable your notifications for this. And next. This will be your Google developer profile. Here is your name and your details and your location and badges. Everything you done has been recorded at this place, all badges. Here I created my Google developer account, so I ended one badge. And I created Google developer profile, so I ended another badge. If you will, all minor activities also can be recorded using the all badges session. And if you have any favorite badge, like you have learned how to use camera in Android Studio. So if you like that badge, you can add it to favorite. So it will be displayed here. This may you may place this link. This is your original link. Like this is your custom link. So if you use that link, it will redirect to your profile. So you can place this link on your resume. So to make that you have acquired these many badges like that. And also this is the like overview of the course. You will be having 2 tracks and you must complete the tracks to earn badges. These badges are stored in your Google developer profile, and this is the thing. And also what we will be doing and how we will be doing, for doing this program you need to have a computer with a working internet condition. Like you need to have a computer to do this one. It will not be doing in mobile. Okay. In computer, you will be downloading Android Studio, which is an app to build Android apps and platform. So you need to download this Android Studio. I will be placing the link in description. And also, if you are registered in new to programming track, the Google developers will show you how to install and how to run your Android Studio, how to connect to your mobile device, like everything they will be showing. So I don't need to repeat them again, but I will be placing the link in the description if you want to download it. Okay, this is the Android Studio and the Android Study Jams. You may use this link to visit this profile and start this course. Make sure you are logged in so that you will be recorded. I mean, you can earn badges on your Google Developer account. And this is your Google Developer account. We have already done this. Okay, this course will be, I have already said this course will be on until January 25th. So no worries, you can do it on your own pace. And if you have any doubts or stuck, you may ask your classmates or the people, like we are already around, you can ask us. It's not a problem. And why this program means, as for solution challenge, if you want to participate, like you have an idea, like for some days back, my friend has an idea to create his own password manager, to like building his own password manager. So when he create a new account, he don't have to remember all the passwords. So he tried his best to acquire all the knowledge from the internet. He started working on that platform. He has built a password manager and completed his app and submitted his solution to some company. they liked his solution and they told we will be support you and you may make the same for our company. Like, so if you have any solution to the common problems, you may need to build them. For building them, you need to use some technologies. This is one of the technology you will be using to build your solutions. So we are happy for you to have participating in this program. And Syntax, you may continue. Manitesha, you still there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. You can stop your presentation. So guys, so have you understood the program? Please let us know in the chat box. So don't worry. So I will just, yeah. So as Harish told earlier, this program is simply depends upon you. This is a self-learning program. Okay. I will just give a brief summary. If anyone didn't understand the program, just brief summary. Don't worry. Yep. So okay. So now I will paste a link in the chat box. Everyone, please, if you don't have a laptop at the moment, copy the link and save it in your mobile. So keep that link with you. Mm, yeah, just give me a minute. I will be sharing
We,
my screen.
we will be providing all the links in the groups.
Yeah,
Don't worry about that.
yeah. Don't worry about it. So I hope my screen is visible, right? Is my screen visible, guys? Yep.
Yes,
Thank you.
bro.
Yeah. Thank you. So, so whenever you open the link, you will be redirected to this page. Okay. So the first thing that you need to do is click the sign in button, and you need to choose your email. So that's it. Uh, so this is how you will be signing into this platform. So after the signing in, you will be presented with this page, Android Study Jams. So there will be two tracks, right? As we discussed, as Harry told earlier, this is track one and this is track two, new to programming track and prior programming experience track. So the ultimate aim of you is to complete these both tracks, okay, uh, on or before January 25th. Okay, so this is not mandatory to complete on or before January 25th, but if you want to get the certificates and all the stuff, you need to complete it by January 25th, and also to participate in solution challenge. Like solution, you must need to learn a technology to participate in solution challenge. Okay, so that's why. So this is how you will be presented after you signed in. So these two, if you want to do these tracks, so simply click on Start Course. Yep. As you can see, this is the track number one, Android Basics in Kotlin. So there will be two units, Unit 1 and Unit 2. Kotlin Basics for Android. This is Unit 1, just like the quests inside a track in 30 days of Google Cloud. This is something similar to that. So the Unit 2 will be layouts. Okay. Um, so the program here is whenever you complete a module inside a track, you will be awarded with a badge. So as you can see, these are the four badges that you can earn by completing this Unit 1. Introduction to Kotlin badge, First app in Android Studio badge, Build a basic layout badge, Dice Roller app. As Harish told earlier, you will be having a unique URL where you can host all of your badges. So whenever anyone asks you like to submit the proof, you can simply give the link. So whenever they visit the link, they can see all the badges that you have earned. So if you want to start this Unit 1, simply click on Unit 1. So this is Unit 1, Kotlin Basics for Android. So as you can see, there are currently four activities. So Android Basics, uh, Introduction to Kotlin. So this is a chapter, and this is another chapter, Create your first Android app. So these are four chapters. You need to complete all these chapters one by one. So as you can see, like there will be video sessions, uh, there will be video sessions as well. There will be code labs as well. Um, there will be quiz, just like the challenge lab, right? So if you complete all these four parts, you will be given a badge. Okay, so you will earn one badge for this. One badge. If you can see closely, there is an progress tracker here. So this will give you like you need to do this for 100%. If you complete all of these four chapters, you will be done with Unit 1. So you will be given four badges. So after that, you can start the unit number 2 and do the same thing. There will be 2 units, 2 modules inside this unit. So if you complete all these 6 badges, you are done with track number 1, right? So this track 1 is completed. So after that, you can start with prior programming experience track. So same thing. You can start by clicking here, start Kotlin codes. So this is an compiler, like online compiler kind of thing for Kotlin. So where you can learn about Kotlin, and you can just click everything and start course. So these are the 2 courses. As you can see, there are 2 units. The unit number 1, build your first app, build an interactive app, layouts, navigation. So like for example, navigation is the thing like whenever if in app there will be multiple screens, right? For example, if you click the cart icon, you will be redirected to cart page, right? So something similar to that, that is navigation. Like all those things will be discussed. You will be learn all these things inside the code lab. So I hope that gave a brief introduction to how you can access the code labs with your account. So that sum it up. This thing. So now, if you have any doubts, just for example, we will conduct sessions on a weekly basis if required, online sessions. So, for example, in this week, try to complete the unit number 1. Okay, the unit number 1 is new to programming, right? So every one of you create an account and start this course new to programming. Like if you have after 1 week, note down all of your doubts in something, some paper or anything. In that session, we can discuss your queries and we can resolve your queries as well. Like you are not familiar with Android, no problem, we will be teaching. Like if you face any problem regarding installing Android Studio, we will help you out. Like we will show you a detailed instruction, like we will be showing in that in the next week. Like we will conduct every week these like what we say, doubt sessions. Okay, so don't worry about that. If you stop in the middle, uh, don't stop. Please attend the next session and ask your query and resolve that query and continue. So this is a golden opportunity to learn this Android program. As this program is being conducted by Google, this is a very prestigious program. So don't take it like try to complete at least track number 1. Okay, so I hope every one of you before December 31st complete this track number 1. Okay, everyone will do this track 1 before December 31st. Uh, Tell in the chat box. Like these sessions, this course is not like 30 days of Google Cloud, guys. Not copy pasting and all the stuff. This is very interesting program. You will be building your own apps. The feeling that you get when you build your own app is something very out of the world. You like try to participate in this program and do it with interest, not to get the certificates and all the stuff. Our ultimate aim is to learn a new technology, and the technology that we're going to learn this time is Android. And so that's the main thing. I hope the session was clear. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Anjali, you can stop the recording.